Hello, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I just want to walk you through how to edit your YouTube thumbnails. That's YouTube short thumbnails. So if you upload short videos and want to use a unique thumbnail, you can use this method. Let's jump right into it. So you need to have access to the YouTube app. So make sure you download the YouTube application from Play Store, App Store, and then make sure you log into the account you actually want to edit the thumbnails for. So I'm actually using my quiz channel. So this is my quiz channel, and then I have some short videos over here. The first video, which is a football quiz, the screen or the thumbnail is actually Lionel Messi. So assuming I want to change and use a different thumbnail for this particular short video, all I need to do is that you can see we have some three dots at the far top right corner. Just click on the three dots, and it's going to give you this screen. Just click on edit. This is going to open the edit screen for you, and this is where you can change the title for your quiz video. If you want to add some tags to it or some hashtag to it, you can do that. But the most important thing is that if you want to change the thumbnail, just click on this pencil icon next to the video over there, and it's going to open this screen for you. So this is video by video screen. This is video by video screen for your YouTube short. So you can see anytime I select a new screen, the thumbnail is actually going to change to that. So this is for Ronaldo, this is for Neymar, this is for Neymar, and then Kylian, and then in that order. So if I want to use any of this for my thumbnail for this particular YouTube short quiz, I can do that. But assume you want to use a unique thumbnail which you've designed, then the best thing you can do is that just design that and deliberately add it to the end of your YouTube short video. So that will be displayed as part of this screen where you can select and use for your YouTube thumbnail. But if you want to use any of your screen, a particular one for your YouTube short thumbnail, you can actually go ahead and then do that. So in this case, if you want to go with Lionel Messi, I just have to select that part of the screen. You can see at the bottom here, just select the one you want to use for your screen. Once that pop-ups like this, just click here, make sure you saved it, or just confirm that, and then if you want to edit anything, just edit that and click on save. So if you do that, you'll be able to change your screen, you'll be able to change your thumbnail for that specific video. So basically that's how you can do, or this is how to modify that. So this one, for instance, I want to change this to a different thumbnail. So I can just go ahead and click on edit, and then click on the pencil icon from here. So you can see this is better than the previous one. I can just click on, you can see, so I can just go through and pick a better image for my thumbnail for this video. So I prefer to use this, so I'll just go ahead to confirm this, and then make sure this is saved. So you can see from the original video, we've been able to change this thumbnail for the YouTube short. Assuming I've designed some, I just have to add it to the video, and then that will be updated once I'm going through this process. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. Like, subscribe for more videos like this. Till I come away again. Bye bye.